The sky of modern warfare is changing, and at the center of this transformation stands Turkey's newest generation of unmanned combat aircraft, the TAI Anka 2026. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, this drone represents the evolution of years of research, innovation, and ambition to create a world-class autonomous aircraft that can compete on the global stage. Today, we're going to explore everything you need to know about the upcoming Anka 2026, its design, features, performance, capabilities, and what makes it a truly remarkable symbol of next-generation aviation. The story of the Anka program began more than a decade ago when Turkey set out to build its own line of surveillance and combat drones. The first version, the Anka A, focused on intelligence gathering. Later came the Anka S, which introduced satellite control and precision strike capabilities. Each step refined the concept until it became a fully fledged combat-ready system. Now, the 2026 model, sometimes called Anka Next or Anka 3, is taking that legacy into the realm of stealth, high endurance, and advanced autonomy. At first glance, the TAI Anka 2026 immediately stands out because of its elegant and futuristic design. Unlike the conventional drone structure, the new Anka adopts a sleek, blended wing-body shape optimized for stealth. The smooth curves and the absence of sharp corners reduce radar reflection, making the aircraft harder to detect. Every part of its aerodynamic profile is designed to minimize drag and improve endurance. The wings sweep gently backward, while the body merges seamlessly into the airframe, giving it the graceful look of a flying wing. The Anka 2026 is built from advanced composite materials that make it both strong and lightweight. These materials not only enhance flight efficiency but also absorb radar signals, boosting its low observable characteristics. Beneath its smooth surface, the drone hides a fully internal weapon bay, a major difference from earlier versions that carried weapons externally. By concealing missiles and bombs inside the fuselage, radar visibility drops dramatically. This enables the aircraft to fly closer to hostile zones without being easily detected. In terms of size, the Anka 2026 is large for a drone, roughly 17 meters in wingspan and weighing around 7 tons at takeoff. It's powered by a single turbofan engine mounted at the rear, providing the thrust needed for long endurance and high-altitude performance. While official numbers remain classified, experts estimate a cruising speed close to 700 km per hour and a maximum altitude of about 40,000 feet. That combination gives it the range and endurance to stay airborne for nearly 10 hours while covering vast areas for surveillance or strike operations. Performance is at the heart of the Anka 2026 project. It's designed to handle multiple missions: intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and precision attack. Thanks to a modular payload system, it can carry both guided bombs and advanced sensors depending on mission type. Typical payloads could include smart micro-munitions, laser-guided bombs, or small tactical missiles designed for pinpoint accuracy. The internal bays are also adaptable for advanced sensors, electro-optical cameras, and synthetic aperture radar systems, making it capable of day and night and all-weather operations. Autonomy is another major advancement. The 2026 Anka incorporates improved artificial intelligence for route planning, automatic takeoff and landing, target tracking, and threat avoidance. Operators can supervise multiple drones from a single control station, turning them into a coordinated team that shares information in real time. This feature opens the door for the Anka to serve as a loyal wingman alongside manned fighters, extending their vision and reach on the battlefield. The cockpit is, of course, virtual, handled from a remote ground control unit equipped with encrypted communication channels. The data link is satellite-based, allowing global range and beyond line-of-sight operations. Even if the communication link is disrupted, the Anka 2026 can continue its mission autonomously and return safely to base using pre-programmed protocols. When it comes to power, while official horsepower figures are not released, the use of a modern turbofan engine suggests a thrust class of several thousand horsepower equivalent. The focus is not on raw speed but on efficiency and reliability. The aircraft is engineered to deliver maximum endurance with minimal fuel consumption, essential for long missions over wide operational zones. One of the most fascinating aspects is its stealth performance. Unlike traditional drones with visible airframes and external stores, the Anka 2026's flying wing design allows radar waves to scatter instead of reflecting directly. Even the engine exhaust is partially concealed to reduce infrared signature. Combined with radar-absorbent materials and advanced coatings, it achieves a level of stealth once reserved for manned stealth bombers. Let's talk about cost and availability. Turkish Aerospace has not yet announced the official price, but industry observers expect the unit cost to fall between $20 and $30 million depending on configuration. That may sound high, but in comparison to Western stealth drones or next-gen UCAVs, it remains significantly more affordable. The program's goal is to balance capability with cost-effectiveness, allowing both domestic and export customers to field advanced unmanned systems at reasonable budgets. The expected release and service entry are projected for the year 2026. Prototype tests and flight evaluations have already begun, validating the flight control system, structural integrity, and weapons integration. Once operational, the Turkish Air Force is expected to deploy it for border security, deep strike missions, and joint operations with manned aircraft. Several allied nations have expressed interest as well, recognizing the potential of an affordable stealth drone that offers long range, endurance, and precision. Beyond numbers and specifications, the Anka 2026 represents something bigger: the technological confidence of a nation that has rapidly advanced in aerospace engineering. For Turkey, this drone is a statement of self-reliance and innovation. For global defense observers, it's proof that the future of aerial combat will rely heavily on unmanned and semi-autonomous systems working in harmony with human pilots. If we imagine the battlefield of the near future, the Anka 2026 will likely play a role as a silent sentinel. It can fly ahead of fighters, identify enemy radar, jam hostile communications, and deliver precision strikes before being detected. It can share live imagery, relay data, or even act as a decoy to protect manned aircraft. This kind of versatility transforms how air forces plan and execute missions. The design philosophy behind it also emphasizes ease of maintenance and rapid deployment. Its modular structure allows technicians to swap sensors or payloads quickly. The composite body resists corrosion and reduces fatigue, making it ideal for extended operational life in different climates. Whether operating over deserts, seas, or mountains, the Anka 2026 is built to adapt and perform consistently. As the program approaches full maturity, the next few years will focus on refining AI systems, integrating advanced weapons, and achieving full interoperability with existing command networks. Each test flight brings new insights that push the boundaries of unmanned aviation. In essence, the TAI Anka 2026 is more than a drone, it's the vision of tomorrow's air power. A blend of stealth, intelligence, and endurance, wrapped in an elegant flying wing form that symbolizes precision and progress. When it officially takes flight in 2026, it won't just represent Turkish engineering, it will embody the global shift towards smarter, more autonomous defense technologies. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the TAI Anka 2026, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation and defense insights. Stay tuned for upcoming videos as we continue to explore the future of flight where innovation meets the sky.